Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Creamy chicken gravy is rich, thick, smooth, and packed with flavor. This is one of those dishes that instantly makes you want to grab some roti or rice and enjoy it. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for creamy chicken gravy. Juicy, tender, boneless chicken is cooked in a rich, aromatic onion tomato base, finished with a smooth, creamy cashew paste and fresh cream. And it's beautifully flavored with simple, everyday spices. It's mildly spiced, rich, without being heavy, and incredibly satisfying, making it perfect for both family meals and special occasions. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious creamy chicken gravy. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. For the cashew paste, take 16 medium-sized cashew nuts. Soak them in warm water for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the water from the cashew nuts and add them in a mixer grinder. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. Grind to a smooth paste. Cashew paste is ready. For the tomato puree, take 6 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them into smaller pieces the way I have done and remove whatever seeds you can. Add them in a mixer grinder. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Grind them into a puree. Tomato puree is ready. For the spice mix, in a small mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania powder. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Mix everything nicely. Spice mix is ready. For the cooking, we have taken 500 grams or half kg of boneless chicken leg pieces. You can also take boneless breast pieces if you prefer. We have cut them into medium-sized pieces. Take 4 medium-sized onions. Cut them very fine. 3 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into smaller pieces the way I have done. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Slit them in the middle lengthwise, keeping the sides intact. Follow the way I have done. Quarter cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Quarter cup or 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. 1 teaspoon of lime juice. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of dry kasuri methi. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the creamy chicken gravy. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir it nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions are slightly golden brown, add the ginger garlic paste. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the green chili pieces and stir. After around a minute, add the chicken pieces. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook the chicken without water for around 7 to 8 minutes until it changes color. This process will lock in the juices and make it tender and flavorful. Keep stirring the chicken frequently. After around 7 to 8 minutes, add the spice mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. After around 2 to 3 minutes, add the tomato puree. Cook for around 6 to 7 minutes.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
After 6 to 7 minutes, add the cashew paste and mix everything properly. Check the taste and add whatever is required. Now add the lime juice. We also added half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan, and add little water if required. After around 4 to 5 minutes, add half cup or 125 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Cover and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, stir everything properly. Crush the dry kasuri methi using your hand and then add it in the gravy. Mix everything nicely. Add the garam masala powder. Add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Reduce the heat to low and add the fresh cream. Stir everything nicely. Check for salt and add if required. Also add the slit green chilies. Cook the gravy for around 2 to 3 minutes more. Once done, put the heat off. Serve the creamy chicken gravy hot with rice, roti, naan or bread. Delicious creamy chicken gravy is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.